This road is fantastic. It's really a nice riding road. It's got a, you know, little bump here or there, but it's got some nice sweepers, some beautiful homes. Part of it's tree covered. Really a really nice road. It's State Road 13 if you're in Northeast Florida through St. Johns County. Super nice, but the drawback is if you get caught behind somebody going slow, there's very limited passing zones. And because of the sweepers and stuff, you can't always rip around them when you want to. You know, like right now, it's super clear, but you can see that there's a giant sweeper up here. That and people pulling out of their houses. Because they sure as hell don't look. There's the Intercoastal Waterway out there. Gonna go and see if I can get some pictures by it. Down the road a piece, but I don't know. I just said down the road a piece. Holy cow, I'm like my grandfather. Alright, we're gonna see if we can eat these two. I always kind of try and take it a little easy because it seems like my luck is every time I want to fly through there, there's always a cop sitting up here somewhere. I was hoping to get some shots over here, but I don't think I can because it looks like it's full up. Man, parking is pretty full and it's not too stable anywhere else. I don't know. I might try on the way back. We'll see. This is the Intercoastal Waterway, St. Johns County. And there's that dark cloud right there. I think it's got my name on it. Alright, I have no idea where I'm at down here. I've never really come down here, so we're gonna see what we get.